That JNL file is a Microsoft Outlook journal entry, storing time-stamped activity tracking records and interaction logs. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access or export these Outlook journal entries. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade JNL file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. JNL Files are Microsoft Outlook journal entries, recording time-stamped user activities, including phone calls, document editing sessions, email interactions, and meeting notes. They provide an automatic activity log for time tracking and client interaction documentation. Outlook JNL entries are stored within the PST or OST mail store using MAPI properties for start time, duration, entry type contact references, and associated document links. They are rendered through Outlook's journal view with timeline-based and list-based display modes. This JNL file is handled by the industry standard tool, Microsoft Outlook from Microsoft Corporation. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows displays only general characteristics, while True Access requires specialized programs. To ensure we don't miss anything, right-click your JNL file and click Open with. Test Microsoft Outlook first. If it fails, select another program. We are checking all installed readers. If you still can't open the JNL file, it's okay. Dealing with a truly persistent JNL file, let's execute these quick diagnostic tests on the most likely points of failure. First, viewing journal entries. Open Microsoft Outlook and navigate to the Journal folder by clicking the three dots at the bottom of the Navigation pane and selecting Journal. Browse your JNL entries by timeline or list view to review recorded activities, dates, and duration information. Next, exporting journal data. Select the journal entries you want to export in Outlook and use File then Save, as to save individual entries as MSG files. For bulk export use, File then Open, and Export then Export to a file, and select CSV to export all journal entries to a spreadsheet format. Finally, enabling automatic journaling. Configure Outlook to automatically track activities by navigating to File then Options then Notes and Journal. Select the contact types and document activities you want. Outlook to record, automatically creating JNL entries for every tracked interaction. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.